Namaste.
Are you sure India is what you think? Let's find out. Last week you were with me to see the mosque and its surrounding. Today we will see how we got there and what else we were doing that day. Let's go. I didn't tell you that this time we are traveling with my sister. She came to visit me in India for my birthday. So you already saw her last Friday. Not enough petrol, so we will stop for a moment. When I already learned a bit about driving scooter, but I didn't know much about language yet, I just learned the phrase, what to say when I want to fill my vehicle. And it was quite working. You just need to drive there and say amount of money that you want to pay for the petrol. And that's it. Good that now I know some numbers and I know what I'm actually saying. And if someone wants to speak back to me, I can reply. In some videos on YouTube or Instagram, if I'm watching, I see people saying that there are no rules on road in India. But definitely I feel there are unwritten rules because somehow I started following them. So many rickshaws here. If you are a beginner in driving in India, never drive behind those guys. They have habit of stopping suddenly anywhere in front of your vehicle and you get stuck before getting in traffic again. The place where mosque is, it's looking like old town. Small streets, old gates, small flats. Place is known for its shops. I feel near to all these roads. There are like few, for me, like same looking roads, small. Around there are shops of any kind, open from Monday to Saturday. Then there are many vehicles parked on these small roads, and road which is already small is becoming more small. Then it's hard to drive. You have to be careful for your legs. If you have passenger definitely should be careful for its legs, that nobody will be hurt. We reached the parking. I came here only a few times alone, and I park here because whenever I come with someone else, they do park here, so I don't want to experiment with any other place. This is parking which is paid, so someone has eye on the vehicle always. I would not like to park on road if I'm going for longer, because else something can happen to the vehicle, or there is possibility the place where we park not proper place to park and maybe police would take your vehicle. This is possible in some places. So better, if you don't know the surrounding, you park in the place which is paid parking, that you don't face any strange problems. You should keep your handle unlocked, that they can manage the parking afterwards and exchange the vehicles however they want, because this parking surely will be full afterwards. And you will see that my vehicle probably will not be in the place that it is now. You have to tell him the number of vehicle, you will get paper, and he told to pay afterwards when I will be taking my vehicle from here. The payment will be 20 rupees. What they are selling here, many things for home, some bags, towels, lemon water. Seeing how he's doing that, I didn't want to try it, but maybe that's good. Many spices, many decorative things and clothes. Envelopes. Here you have bindi. It's that dot which they have between eyebrows. They are keeping in India. They just keep it for any kind of function, like for decoration. They will wear cloth, they will put makeup, and afterwards they will put it on their forehead for decoration with, for example, matching with color of their dress. This is the street that I wanted to reach today. Here you can come for the cheaper clothes. In all, I feel that in India, whatever they wear for the functions, it's almost like from the red carpet from Hollywood. They really make it beautiful and like big. In Poland, we really, compared to that, we really wear so simple clothes for any kind of like occasion like marriage, which they are almost wearing like every day. I told you that my vehicle will be in different place, and it is in different place. So we actually don't know what happened here when we were not there. Surely they rotated each vehicle a few times somewhere to just keep as much space as possible to get paid as much as possible from so many vehicles. Yeah, we bought peanuts, but it was not enough, so let's go to get some food. Someone is showing by. We will go other side of the river. There is something strange in this city, in Ahmedabad. One side of river and other side of river, it's completely different thing. We go to eat something in KFC, which we will not find in my side of river. We met too many foreigners today. I live here quite long and I really don't see many. Today we made a record of meeting them. There was a park nearby the KFC, and I remember that once I was here and it was beautiful, so we went there. Aga się zorientowała, że to jednak nie jest jakiś metalowy żółw, tylko że to jest żółw. Mówi, że ruszył głową. On jest prawdziwy! Nice park. This is also made in quite modern way. It's not like we find many of them in Ahmedabad, in this city. You can't see probably, but eagle is also there on the right side, sitting on the tree. And here's some Persian cat is sitting on his arms. So we saw him sitting before, like nice. I would like to take my cats like that, but they will not allow me. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to not miss any other episode. And see you next week. Bye.